Stories now have a natural voice. After much anticipation, Google has finally decided to launch its speech assistant for Android users. Earlier, it was only available for smart displays. But now people with an Android device can also listen to blogs, stories, and articles in the natural-sounding voice of Google's screen reading software. Excited to get a complete insight? Click on the bell icon to get the latest tech updates. And join us on Tech Shouters to know more about all the new happenings in the tech world. Reading blog posts, stories, and articles seem to bore you a bit, right? Google realized this and came up with a revolutionary speech and translation tool. Earlier, the joy of using the screen reader software was limited to the users with smart displays and platforms other than Android. But the tech giant has now brought the same enjoyable experience for Android users. There is a multitude of screen readers. But who else can have better qualifications than Google to develop the best screen reading software that seems perfect? Unlike the other screen readers that you may have used, it does not seem to annoy the users with an artificial-sounding voice. It reads out the text as if a natural person is narrating the same to you. Google's screen reading and translation tool, first unveiled for Android users at CES 2020 in January, is here to revolutionize the world. It not only reads out the text aloud, but also translates it to over 42 languages, including Hindi and Spanish. Moreover, the interpreter mode lets you communicate in 2 different languages. At present, no screen reader has such advanced features. Google is transforming the way you read the text and is changing the world with its revolutionary technology. Ready to experience Google's screen reader? Just say, "Hey Google, read it," or "Hey Google, read this page." Have you got an ad on Apple? Apple is now changing. From being a completely ad-free platform, it has now decided to allow the apps on the App Store to send promotional ads as push notifications. But, at the same time, it also ensures that these ads do not annoy the ardent users of the Apple device. Apple understands that getting unwanted ads as notifications may irritate users. Hence, although it has allowed the apps on the App Store to send ads as a push notification, still the same cannot happen without your permission. Yes, it is you who is in charge of deciding whether ads from apps will show up on your device or not. Apple has given the apps permission to send ads as notifications alongside other alerts and news. But the tech giant has not allowed the dating and fortune-telling apps to promote themselves via push notification. Maybe the reason is hackers who find these apps an easy way to invade your device. A dating or fortune-telling app is permitted to send promotional alerts only if they provide a truly high-quality experience to you and other users. The updated guidelines say that the apps can no longer use custom review prompts to seek feedback from users. Now, they can only get your reviews and ratings through Apple's official API. This move ensures that you do not face any sort of inconvenience while reviewing any app. Want to get the latest offers from applications? Simply authorize them to send you a push notification. So these were some big updates from some of the well-known tech giants. For more such updates, stay tuned with Tech Shouters.